This order allows our 3 living survivors, Mother Viola Fletcher, 108 years old, Mother Leslie Benefield Randall, 107 years old, and our good friend Hughes Ben Ellis, we call him Uncle Red, 101 plus. These 3 survivors, they have the ability to move forward with our case, and for the first time in 100 years, over 100 years, we have an opportunity to prove that the massacre that happened on May 31st, June 1st, 1921, created a public nuisance here in Tulsa, and that public nuisance needs to be abated. This is a historic day, but we have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do to get to the end goal, which is to have this nuisance abated. I've spoken with the survivors, and they're very excited about this opportunity. They are sad to know that the other descendants, other plaintiffs, did not get an opportunity to move forward this case. But I've also spoken to those plaintiffs and those descendants who've been dismissed out, and they were saddened that they were dismissed out, but they are still very excited and heartened by the fact that we are moving forward and that these survivors can represent the entire community of Greenwood and represent what was lost and what can be restored by this particular litigation. So I want to lift up those survivors, those descendants, and the church, Vernon AME Church. I want to lift them up, that we still appreciate them, and we love all descendants and everyone that was impacted by the Tulsa Race Massacre. That this litigation is for all of those people. We have 3 survivors that's leading that charge, but this litigation and the remedies that we will seek, the abatement, will be for the restoration and the rebuilding of what was lost because of the massacre.